Hi everyone, myself Anjana PS, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Management, St. Albans College Autonomous, Ernakulam. Today we discuss about the topic of equity shares and what are the advantages of equity shares. What is equity shares? Equity shares are the type of ownership securities. According to Indian Companies Act 1956, equity shares are those shares which are not preference shares, such as the sections that differentiate the Indian company. The equity shareholder are the real owners of the company. Thus, equity shares are those ownership securities which does not carry any preferential right in the case of return on capital. The main features of equity shares are payment after debt equity shares and right to vote. And we're discussing about what are the advantages of equity shares. The equity shares advantages will be classified into two. Advantages to company and advantages to investors. The first one is advantages to companies. The advantages of companies should be detailed in the following matters. The first one is long-term permanent capital. The equity is good source of long-term finance. During its lifetime, a company will be requires the equity capital. Thus, it is a permanent source of capital. The second advantage is no fixed burden. There is no obligation for fixed date of dividend on those shares has been displayed. The shareholder money depends and even the company has profit. They may get dividend of accumulated profit even they have earned no profit or eradicate profit for the current year. Thus, equity shares provide certain fixed unfavorable rates. And the third one is credit worthiness. Equity share capital provide state worthiness to providers. And no DCHAs will be assets of the companies. And the fourth one is risk capital. Equity shares are capitals of the company in period of the both shares of periods of the capital risking company. The fifth one is right shares. Right issue in the possible of shares by equity shares. It is possibility to write share in equity share capital. And the last one is dividend policy. A company may be follow the elastic dividend policy for the development of programs. Next, we discuss about advantages to investors. The first one is more income. After getting all fixed company like interest on capital, interest on dividend on preference shares, equity shareholders are residual payment of profit. In bond unit, equity capital may get higher rate of dividend. The second one is right to participate in control and management. Equity shareholders have the voting right. Thus, they have right to participate and control the managed affairs of the company to the elected companies of persons of directors. The third one is capital appreciation. The market value of equity shares subjected directly in the profit of companies. The real value is based on the net worth of the company. The fourth one is attraction for the persons having limited income. As the pricing of equity shares are very low, the persons of limited income can purchase these shares. The marketability of shares will be increasing due to equity shares. The capital market of specific thing in the special source of social coming circulated interest. The last one is preemptive right. The issue of new equity shares to the equity shareholders and existing shareholders of the company in appropriation to their predefined shareholders, and it will be create the right issue. The special privilege of existing shareholders it get prior on such allotment prior allotment time. It enables the existing shareholders to create additional shares of allotment of pre-applicants. These are the major advantages of investors creating advantages on equity shares. Today, we are discussing about the topic of equity shares and equity shares advantages, and the advantages may be two type of advantages to company and advantages to investors. Thank you all.